Women should be allowed to take the National Defence Academy exams this year. That's what the Supreme Court told the centre today, rejecting their request to defer it to the next year. They said, and I quote now, that we gave hope to the girls. We cannot deny them of that hope now. The no exam today, exam tomorrow approach would go against the aspirations of young women, also adding interestingly that there is, because the centre said there is too little time to make arrangements, to that the Supreme Court said the armed forces have dealt with very difficult situations and emergency. They are trained in dealing with emergency and they will be able to deal with this as well.
In a dramatic turn, the Supreme Court today said that the first batch of girls should appear for NDA or National Defence Academy exams this year itself on 14th November. Just a day earlier, the centre had said that it would do so only in May next year.
In today's hearing, the Supreme Court told the centre, "We gave hope to the girls. Can't deny them of that hope now. If they appear in exams in May 2022, then the intake will take place in January 2023. Can't delay things by a year." The Supreme Court also said the no exam today, exam tomorrow approach will go against the aspirations of young women. When the centre said time is too short, we need to make preparations, the Supreme Court responded by saying armed forces are trained in dealing with emergencies. They will be able to deal with this. Women's entry into NDA is the gateway to a permanent commission in the armed forces.
It would be great opportunity to those girls who had just now passed 12, because they do not have to wait for a long period, 2 or 3 years. They just have to crack the exams and they have to give the SST, and then they will go in NDA and they will have their trainings.
Enough of time has been wasted in past many years where we have spoken about equal opportunity and why NDA should not be open for girls, and now this year just wasting it for preparing for the girls for the infrastructure so that they can accommodate them well next year. We can do it the same this year also.
The government says that gynecologists, sports medicine experts, nursing staff and female attendants would also need to be in place for women cadets. The next hearing of the case will take place in the third week of January next year, when the government will update the court on the results of the exam. In New Delhi with camera person Prem Singh, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.